Good afternoon, dear students. Today our topic is very important topic, that is articles. I know that you all have learned them, but still I will teach in my own way, that is articles. Articles in grammar is not things, but here they are actually demonstrators or adjectives. They work as demonstrative adjectives. That is, articles are known to you that they are of two types. That is definite article, the or there, and indefinite article, a and an. You know that if we wish to particularize the noun, we use the definite articles. That is, for particular, we use the definite article. That is, for example, we can say, let us bath in the river. In the river, here is special, particular river, not all. The doctor came, the doctor here refers to the specific doctor, particular doctor. If we wish in general, if we say in general, then we use indefinite article. As indefinite article is a and an, it is known to you that a is used with consonant but sounds, not alphabets, consonant sounds, and an is used with vowel sounds. For example, an ox, an inkpot, an umbrella. Yes. Now we will see the use of articles. But as general rule, a common noun in the singular number must have an article before it. That is, if we say singular, that is common noun singular, there we have to use the article. For example, we can have to say, I have seen a boy, because boy is common, and with the boy we have to use the article either a or the. If it is special, particular, then the. If general, then a. That is, boys, as I told you, that boys refers to general. Now we will see the use of a and an. As I told you that a is used with these consonants. For example, a boy, a box, a lion, a mango, a bag, and an is used with vowels, an ace, an elephant, an apple, an egg, an ox. Now you have to remember that I told you that they are used with the vowel sounds, not with vowel alphabets. Here are some words which you have to remember if you are not familiar with the sounds. A is used before vowels having sound as yo, wo. Those who have yo or wo sound, there we use consonants even though they start with vowel alphabets. A European, not an European. A union, a university, a US plan, a useful book, a unique scene, a 1 rupee note, a wow, one-eyed, a high or higher secondary ha. In the same way, and is sometimes used with the words who have even the consonant letter alphabets, but they have the sound of vowels. For example, an hour, because H is silent, an honest, because H is silent, not honest, an HS, an MA, an MSc, an MP, an MLA, an SD, and NCC. A will be used in place of an and how, as I told you in the very beginning. Now, use of an and a or an is used when it mentions someone or something in single countable noun. That is, a or an, they are used for one. For saying one. For example, I saw a man, that means one man. An old lady. A or an is also used with unit for measurement. 100 we can say a meter. That is per unit. An is used in the sense of like. For example, he thinks he is like Rabindranath Tagore. We can say here also, instead of like, we can use a. He thinks he is a Rabindranath Tagore. In the same way, an is used before unknown name or surname. If there will be unknown name or surname, there we use an. An is used in the sense of the same. If we say same, for example, birds of a feather, that means same feather. An is used to denote professions or trade. For example, we say he is a businessman, he is a teacher. There we use an. A is used before dozens, 100, 1,000, million. For example, here we say a dozen, 100, 1,000. An is also used with in the sense of each or per. For example, we say 100 rupees a month, that means per month. 50 kilometers an hour, that means per kilometer. And also the is used to indicate class. Sometimes we use an or the for the whole class. We say a cow is a pet animal or the cow is pet animal. That means all the cows, not only one. Yes. An is used with words or phrases, that is they are fixed with them a headache, a hurry, a bad cold, an interest. An is used in exclamative sentences beginning with what? Those sentences in exclamative sentences we start with what? There we use an. For example, a pity. What a pity girl. Here we have to use a, not the, before the superlative. Most when it means very, a most wonderful sight, very wonderful sight. An is used before some words, few, little, lot, good deal, great money. This is the use of the a. Now we can see the use of the or the. The definite article the is used to indicate a particular person, special person or particular person. There we use the. Before a noun which has become definite by mentioning second time. If we will say about somebody second time, first time we will use a. If we will mention him again and again, then we have to use the or the. The is used for vowel sounds and the for consonant sounds. Before a singular noun meant to represent a whole, as I have told you that the cow here means all cows. The dog means all dogs. Two noun, man and woman, used to denote a whole class, never have any article. Now you cannot say the man or the woman, you can say that it is whole man, all men or all women. No, with man and woman we didn't use the to represent as whole. You have to remember this. Before uncountable nouns to particularize it. For example, uncountable noun which we are not able to count. For example, wisdom, for example, gold. There we can use the to particularize it. For example, the gold of this ring, any particular gold, the wisdom of your. Before the names of things which is only one in nature, there are some things in the nature which are only one, which are single. There we use the moon, the sun, the sky, the earth. Before a noun denoting a nation or a race, for example, the Indian, the English, the Bengalis. Before names of roads, but not before names of street or avenue. We use the before name of roads but not streets. For example, the Mahatma Gandhi road, but call it, for example, Central Avenue, not with that. Before nouns to indicate profession. If noun will indicate profession, the bar, the church. Before the name of musical instruments we use. When one plays it, otherwise not. When we play that, otherwise not. That is when it is particular, when it is special. He plays flute. The flute that is not applicable when play in a group of words. Before ordinals, for example, the first, the second, the third. You have to remember this. As general rule, a proper noun should not have any article before it, but some proper nouns take the before them as exceptions. Mostly we didn't use the with proper nouns, but there are some where we use where before the name of holy books, the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, newspapers, ships, trains, aeroplanes, crafts, famous buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, mountains, ranges, islands, deserts are directions. There we use the name of holy books is known to you. Name of newspaper, name of ships there is mentioned. You can take the screenshot also. Examples are given here. The is not placed before the names of single mountain. If there will be only one mountain, if range of mountains, then we use the not with single. Single island or before names of capes, not before the names of lakes, mountain. Names of single mountain, not with single mountain. For example, the Sahara, the Thar, name of desert is. In the same way, the name of direction is the north, the south, and before the names of provinces having description of geographical meaning. The Punjab, because Punjab it is combination of two words. Before the names of countries which are correctly formed. We didn't use that with all the countries, but while there is combination of two or more than two names, there we have to use that. For example, the USA, the United States of America, the UK. Before plurals of family names, the bosses. Before proper nouns, this is the use of the. I hope that you have understood it. Still, if you have any doubt, you can say me in the comment section. I hope that you have gone through it. Still, if you have any doubt, send me feedback. I have make this lecture very quickly. Otherwise, I have also told I have narrated this in Kashmiri also, in Urdu also. But still, if you have any feedback, is compulsory. Thanks. Okay. Bye.